Welcome to a Trader's Journal, folks. We're looking at ticker symbol RSYS, and we got a lot of volume coming in recently on this particular stock, so we can check this out. A lot of good volume spikes as of the last few days. This has popped up on one of our radars. So what we're going to do here is gonna create a trading plan. So let me hop over here to the weekly chart, and we're going to draw some support resistance lines and kind of figure out exactly where this thing is going. So our little support level is approximately right about here at $2.01. That was a really strong support. You can see that we've bounced off of that a few times, and there's going to be a little bit of resistance at about $5. And recently it does appear that a triangle pattern was forming, so something kind of like this. Draw that in here a little bit better. So really this is a descending triangle where you have a similar support and lower highs. It appears that we're breaking out right now. So $5 is going to be the first target, and that's kind of like the next 2 to 3 months target. And realistically, I would love us to see to get up to $7.72. That would be nice. I think that would be kind of like an intermediate 1 year target potentially. $10.39 could possibly be a 2 or 3 year target. It would take some time, obviously, but those would kind of be my two levels. So again, this is a weekly chart. I'm going to kind of zoom in here a little bit, and notice again the very strong breakout. Really, what would be perfect is if the stock could retest and come all the way back down to here. I don't think that's the case. So one could set up two triggers, depending on your trading plan or your trading style. But 298 limit buy would be great if we can try to snag it, if it can come back down there and retest exactly the breakout of this triangle. So here's your little resistance right there. If the stock comes back, does like that, and trades up, that's one potential. Maybe for my less aggressive traders, potentially that could be set up right here. So 298 by $2.20. So for example, let's just say that you were willing to risk $1,000 on this trade. $2.98 minus $2.20 equals 78-cent stop value. So there's your 78 cents. If you're willing to risk $1,000 on that trade, $1,000 divided by 78 cents would be 1,282 shares. That's how many shares you could do a limit buy for at $2.98. So that's the least aggressive trade. Here's kind of the more aggressive trade, if you will. Here is the daily chart. So the daily chart, what we're going to do is we're going to pull up some of the moving averages, the 10, the 20, and the 50 exponential, and we're going to kind of trade this up a little bit higher and put in a limit buy at 331 and a stop below the low of this candle. This candle is the confirmation candle that comes in on the 9th of March. So 331 will be the limit buy with a stop at 281. So 331 minus $2.81 equals 50 cents. So again, 1,000 shares. $1,000 of risk. So that's how much you're willing to risk on the trade, divided by 50 cents, which is the stop value. So 1,000 divided by 0.5 is 2,000 shares. So 2,000 shares would be a limit buy at 331 with a stop at 281. Target 1, 49, where you can unload most of the position probably. 772 would be a nice little Christmas present, and then 1039 could be a potentially great college present for a kid. It would be a really nice win if it gets up to there, but it's going to take some time. I think 449 is a relatively good target for June, July kind of time frame. The higher targets, especially 772, really could be a year or two in the making, and the rest would definitely take their time. But I really like the stock. I like the volume coming in. I like the pattern, and it's a good one to keep your eyes on. Thanks so much for watching. Come back for more.